My name is William Perkinson, and I'm here to show you how to sharpen a knife using sandpaper. Here's our knife. First thing we're going to do is clean the knife as usual. We want to get any residue that might be on there from cutting paper, tape, skinning a deer, whatever you've done with your knife. And then we're going to use this sandpaper. Now, if you plan on keeping this knife sharp yourself for many years to come, what you can do is take a block and cover it with different grades of sandpaper. One heavy grade for a really dull knife, and then keep moving it around and putting different grades of sandpaper to where you can hone it to a really fine point. Make sure you use the staple gun because glue and tape are not going to work in the long haul. All right. We'll take our knife. We're just going to lay the sandpaper on the tabletop today. It's easier and will work out better. We're going to hold it at an angle for us, and we're going to just move it along the sandpaper at a slight angle like this. And we'll make sure we do both sides. And know the longer you do it, the more fine the point you're going to put on it. You're not going to tear up the knife. You can't damage it. But you don't want to lay the knife down flat and drag it across because then you'll just destroy the look of the blade. But it's not going to tear up the knife. It's just an aesthetic thing. So we'll run it. You want to make sure it gets all the way out to the tip so that your point is as sharp as the base of the knife. And eventually, you're going to get better than a factory edge on that. And just with a little alcohol, I cleaned it off again, dried it so that it doesn't rust. And that's a pretty sharp knife. My name's William Perkinson, and that's how to sharpen a knife using sandpaper.